What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2016 Kia Soul. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the key, or slide the key out, and we're going to take this back panel off. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. Stick it in the slot, and you're just going to pry the back panel off. Okay, just pops right up. It's not too bad, not too hard. We can just pull it right off, and that exposes the battery. Use a flathead screwdriver, just pry the battery out. Get your new battery. So the battery size is going to be a CR2032, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below. It takes you to Amazon. If you want to buy some new batteries, check that out. But we're going to install the positive side facing us. I'm going to just pop it right back in here. You have to kind of have to slide it in a little bit, and just push it on, and then put the cover on. It just pops right back on, and you're all done. Okay. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.